Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call Wise Man Lawyers. Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road. Does your license need saving? Do the wise thing. Call the Wise Man team at Wise Man Lawyers.
Alright, today I'm at Mount Isa Magistrates Court. Client was charged with low range drink driving, reading a .093. Worst case for that reading is a 9-month disqualification. Mandatory minimum is 1 month, but the minimum 1 month kicks in at .051, so obviously .093 is well past that. Just to put it in perspective, mid-range kicks in at .1, and obviously .093 is almost mid-range. Mid-range penalties are a maximum of 18 months, mandatory minimum 3 months. And again, he was almost mid-range, so it'd be unrealistic to expect the minimum 1 month with that reading. But that said, given he hadn't lost his licence in the last 5 years, given that he was the holder of an open Queensland licence, and given that his reading was low range, he was eligible to apply for a DUI drink driving work licence. Basically, the way that works is you're still disqualified, but if successful in applying, an order's made which overlaps the disqualification, allowing you to drive for work purposes only. So again, my client held a open Queensland licence. He hadn't lost his licence for any reason in the last 5 years. One of the other issues that stops people from applying is being intercepted while driving for work purposes, which wasn't the case. So again, he hadn't lost his licence the last 5 years. He held a open Queensland licence, wasn't driving for work. Basically, with a work licence, you need to draft a number of things. If you're self-employed, an affidavit spelling out your business's profit and loss, your income, expenses personally, what happened, etc. But because he was employed, I drafted about a 4-page affidavit up for his boss to sign, saying what he does, why he needs his licence to do it, and that he will lose his job if he loses his licence. I drafted about an 8-page affidavit up for my client to sign, elaborating on what the employer affidavit said, but also talking about what happened on the day in question, the lessons he's learned, personal income and expenses, family situation, etc. Those are all drafted well in advance and filed with the court well in advance. I got him to do a reformatory course, which for regional persons can be done online. Got him to get some references based on a template we provide all of our clients. Again, everything was drafted, filed well in advance. So I flew up yesterday, met the client at court this morning, went through everything. We grabbed a conference room. I explained the procedure, what he can expect the prosecutor to say, what he can expect me and perhaps the magistrate to say. We went in. It was reasonably straightforward. I won't say it was smooth sailing. I still had to make some pretty substantive verbal submissions, guide the magistrate through the key points of the affidavits, and sort of bolster a couple of aspects with some, again, verbal submissions on my feet. The long and short of it is the application was successful, so he's permitted to drive 6 days a week, Monday to Saturday, given that's what his role requires. And he was given the hours that he needs. I think off the top of my head it was 5:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Monday to Saturday. He got a modest fine and a disqualification, which obviously you have to get, but the work licence order overlaps it. So for work purposes, it's literally as if he hasn't lost his licence. Client's obviously relieved, very happy. I'm Andrew Wiseman at Mount Isa. Thanks for watching. Hi, I'm Andrew Wiseman from Wiseman Lawyers, Queensland's only truly dedicated drug, alcohol and traffic offence law firm. If you face loss of licence, loss of vehicle, imprisonment or anything in between at any court in Queensland, we can and will help you today. This is our specialty. This is all we do. Give us a call, 1300 947 352. I look forward to helping you resolve your issue today.
Don't face that court alone. Let the Wise Man team get you back on the road.